Welcome to the video on smoke alarm troubleshooting and maintenance. We will show you how to silence that annoying chirp and keep your home safe. If your smoke detector is chirping, it is trying to tell you something. The chirping is a call for maintenance, not a sign of fire. It is important to decode the sound. A loud, continuous beep means an emergency. Get out. A short, high-pitched chirp every 30 to 60 seconds means maintenance is needed. A common cause for a chirp is a low battery warning. A single chirp every minute, especially between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m., indicates cold air is dropping the battery voltage. A false alarm is indicated by 3 loud beeps and a pause. The cause is often high humidity, hot steam from a shower, or cooking smoke confusing the sensor. 5 chirps every minute means the smoke alarm is at its end of life. The internal sensors degrade over time, and you must replace the entire unit for continued protection. There are 4 simple fixes to stop a smoke alarm from beeping. These fixes will silence the noise and restore your peace of mind. The first fix is to replace the smoke alarm battery. Twist the alarm to remove it. Open the door, remove the old battery, and insert a new one, matching the plus and minus sides. If the chirp continues after a new battery, try the reset method. Remove the battery, press and hold the test button for 15 seconds to drain the old power, then insert the new battery. For hardwired detectors, turn off the circuit breaker for safety. Check for loose wires, then replace the backup battery and turn the power back on. The final fix is to clean the dust. Dust, spiderwebs, and insects can block the sensor. Use a vacuum brush or compressed air to clean the vents. Never use liquid cleaners. Smoke alarm maintenance is essential. By following best practices, you can stop the beeps before they start and keep your home safe all year round. For smart placement, keep alarms at least 10 feet away from cooking stoves and hot showers. Avoid placing them near windows, ceiling fans, or air conditioning vents. Remember the 10-year rule. Smoke alarms do not last forever. Check the date on the back of your alarm. You must buy a completely new device every 10 years to stay safe. A quiet alarm is a safe alarm. Test your devices monthly, change batteries yearly, and sleep soundly knowing your home is protected.